Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I'm excited to be here today to share with you a new club offering. It is called the Stamped Treasures Tutorial and Card Club, and if you are looking for monthly inspiration delivered right to your inbox, then this is the club for you. The best part is it doesn't matter where you live, you can participate in this club because it's tutorial based. So the tutorial includes photos, measurements, a full supply list, and a link to videos for 4 projects each month. And those projects are all created using either one stamp set or bundle and a small selection of supplies. So you don't need to own everything that we've used. You can also take that inspiration and use products that you have on hand. The cost is only $15 Canadian, and there's no minimum time commitment. You can subscribe for as long as you'd like. You can cancel at any time. However, there are perks for subscribers who are members for 6 or more consecutive months. All right. And if you live in Canada, then there will be 2 upgrade options for you as well. So if you're one of those people that likes to have pre-cut card kits, or maybe you don't own the supplies that we're using that month, then one of these options could be a great option for you. Like I said, there are 2 upgrade options. One of them is for the consumable supplies and the pre-cut card kits. And the second one is the I Want It All. So it will also include either the stamp set or bundle that we're using that month. Okay, so here are the details on how it's going to work. So on the 15th, I'll announce what stamp set or bundle we'll be using. And you have the opportunity to subscribe until the 25th. Okay, and you also can upgrade that subscription until the 25th as well. So, and that upgrade option is only available to Canadians. And then the tutorials will be emailed to all subscribers on the 26th of the month. And then the kits for any upgrade options will be mailed to you a little bit later on. So if you subscribe after the 25th of the month, then you'll receive the following month's tutorial. Everything is done through a PayPal subscription. So you can just you can head on over to where you can find all the details and a link to subscribe in the description below. And when you hit that subscribe button, the day that you hit that subscribe button, that will be the day that you get billed each month. Okay. But like I said, if you hit that subscribe button after the 25th, then you will receive the following month's kit. Okay. And like I said, there is no minimum time commitment. You can cancel at any time, but I know you're going to want to stay a subscriber because the card projects are absolutely beautiful. All right. So I hope to see you over in the club. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.